Jerald Refrigeration. A homemade vacuum. Yeah, vacuum and pressurized.
Real heavy duty? Yeah. Yeah, come on, the whole thing, the whole big thing, sir. And then I'm here for Rally and friend. Get the pump and have it in the Rally. Before I go with Rally, it's about 20 something. I mean, recycle, right?
Yeah.
Just not the thing I've been record.
Okay, right.
Yeah. So what your company name?
Jerald Refrigeration.
Jerald Refrigeration. A homemade vacuum. Yeah, vacuum and pressurized pump. 120 volts. Check that out. Wow. Hey, Guyanese people real talented though.
Anyway, them to go on it.
Make it work, yeah.
Yes. If me go,
Here, pressure there.
if they say, me go
This is the past 500 years.
Yeah. So now you gotta hold here and see if it can leak.
Pressure test, if
That
it
thing
leak,
they call wood.
if it, let me say, maximum time it start loose is supposed to be 50, but we give it half an hour.
Half hour.
Half an hour for make sure. If it hold within the half an hour, you ain't get no leak.
You go there.
At least half an hour maximum time is supposed to show something.
Pressure change. Yeah.
How much you pump yourself for the original for this? Like this, over here. Good one?
But then normally we in overseas we use nitrogen. Yeah, to pressurize.
Pressurize nitrogen.
Because nitrogen is dry, right?
Dry.
Yeah. So you're not into yeah. But this you know can work though. Yeah.
They put air in the system there.
Yeah. Nitrogen is dry, you know.
Wow. Classic though.